Without influencing others, you can't get success in today's competitive world. It is difficult to achieve a job without influencing the interviewers with your personal as well as professional skills. Also, if you have a business, you need to influence your clients and make them believe in you. Therefore, the importance of personality development has risen very much. Keeping the importance of these skills today, we have a session on personality development, communication and essay, body language and professional ethics. I, Priya Pinto, on behalf of HKIMSR, would like to welcome our guest speaker, Mr. Suraj Maurya. A little introduction about Mr. Suraj Maurya. Mr. Suraj Maurya is a young entrepreneur and managing director of Catalyst Educare. He is an aeronautical engineer by profession and founder of Catalyst Educare. He is a motivational speaker and has an experience of conducting technical seminars and workshops for the college students. I may now request Bharatan Santoshi to felicitate our guest speaker, Mr. Suraj Maurya. Thank you, Santoshi and Bharat. Also, we have among us Miss Valencia D'Costa. Miss Valencia D'Costa is a very energetic and young trainer and speaker. She is a commerce graduate, having experience of hosting events and seminars for the young crowd. I may now request Namrata and Shiv Kumar to facilitate Miss Valencia D'Costa. Thank you, Namrata and Shiv Kumar. I now hand over the session to Mr. Suraj Maurya and will continue the sharp session.
Good afternoon, all of you. I hope it's a tough time for you after lunch. It's always going. So I'm not a professor, I'm not a lecturer, I'm just a normal student like you. You might be expecting some tall, well-built or older kind of person. So actually I just want to tell you about Catalyst Educare. So I founded this organization for conducting the workshops and seminars for the college students across India. So the thing is, if you see the employment rate in India, it's a management college. So as far as engineering graduates are concerned, there are 15 lakh engineering graduates passing out every year. And what about the number of jobs? It's 1.5 lakhs. So the ratio you can see, the 15 lakhs of engineering graduates passing out every year and 1.5 jobs for the students. What about the other students? So they need some practical exposure. They always need a practical exposure for this. Okay. So this is just a trial session for the personality development. So like we will be carrying out the sessions for the next 1 month or 2 months. So we will be discussing with this Ms. Taisi, who is the placement coordinator for IC. So this is just a trial session based on the feedback by you. So this will be conducted for the next 1 or 2 months. Okay. So actually there are 3 types of students. Always there are 3 types of students. The first type is very confident, very energetic, very fluent, okay, and they are very intelligent kind of people. Okay. Second is those who are having the knowledge but don't know how to express it. Okay, they lack some confidence but they are having good communication skills, they are having good knowledge, but they lack in confidence. The third is they will be poor in confidence and they will be poor in knowledge. I won't say poor, they have knowledge, but they are unable to express those things. Okay. So our main focus is on the second level and the third level students. We need to bring those third level students to the higher level. Okay. So if you are in the second level, like you are having a good communication skills or good you can be the best. You can be the best. It's not like you can't do anything and we are unable to express. We are looking at the our students and we think that we feel inferior. We feel inferior that he is doing this thing. He is a good speaker. He is fluent in skills. Okay, so we feel inferior while comparing to others. So the first thing is never ever compare to them. If you are in the second level, we will bring you to the best. We are here to bring you to the next level. Okay, this will be done in the next 1 or 2 months, and we will be carrying out activities, sessions, mock interviews, every kind of training will be provided to you to bring you to the best level. Okay, and the thing is the first level students, those are already well full of knowledge and having a good communication skills. So we'll improve them and tell them how to attend an interview, because after, I think you are all final year students, right? So soon you will be getting the placements. So this is a kind of a placement training session for you guys. Okay, so how to attend the placement training and what are the skills required, the mock interviews, so all these kind of trainings will be done for you. And this is not kind of a lecture or not kind of a I'm not a professor to teach you this. Okay, I'll start the presentation. You just note it down and write. Okay, there's no need of notebook, no need of pens. Okay, okay, no need of notebooks and no need of pens. So we just, what is the personality? Like what kind of person you are? That is what personality is. Okay. So personality, you can't write down the notes and you can improve your personality. So you need to improve yourself. What kind of person you are? You must know yourself. What kind of person you are and how can I improve? What are my positive qualities? What are my negative qualities? So those are the things. If you know these kind of things, you will definitely improve. If you know your negative qualities, okay, I am having this negative quality, I will improve. And we are here to improve these qualities. Okay, and you are having some positive qualities, okay, just take your positive qualities to its best. Okay, so the thing is, what is the personality? Let me give you an introduction. What is the personality? Any suggestions? Points?
The overall picture of a particular person.
The character of a person.
Traits of a person.
Character of a person.
Which describes the features, like the features of the whole.
Feature of the person.
Sorry.
So actually there are 3 features: social, mental and
Physical.
so what is physical appearance is very most important. Okay, when you are attending an interview, the physical thing, the body language, the your dressing sense, okay, all those body movements, these are comes under the physical traits. Next is mental traits. Do you think the company will hire a person with a good communication skills and a good physical appearance, but is not social or having some living in a different world? Okay, do you think the company will hire him?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
That one.
Okay. The company is looking for 3 things: physical, as well as mental, as well as social. Okay. So if you are mentally fit, okay, you are physically also fit, you are having good communication skills, but you are not cooperating with others. If you are in an organization, you must cooperate with other people, right? Okay. So suppose this is, what's your name? Kevin. Kevin. So Kevin is a very good speaker. He is good in communication skills and he is having a very much good confidence. Okay, he goes to an interview. Okay, and actually, have you ever attended SSB interview?
No, sir.
Have you ever heard of that? It's interview for joining the defense forces. in
No,
India.
sir.
Okay, so that is a 5 days interview procedure. Okay. That is for joining the defense forces in India.
Next.
So they will calculate each and every point of view. Okay. So the thing is social things. Social thing is cooperation. If you are not cooperating with the person sitting beside you, okay, so will you be able to work in an organization? Okay. you are not listening to your boss, you are doing your own work, will you be able to survive in the company? Right? So the thing is, apart from social, physical and mental qualities, the social qualities are very much important. Okay. Then here are a few topics like our trainer, Miss Valencia. Okay, she is also young, so don't worry that don't expect some big doll or bigger some trainer will come older, because if some older trainer will come, you will get bored. Okay, she or he will write down on boards. Okay, and start a presentation and started speaking. So will that improve your personality or not? It won't improve your personality. We will make your personality improve by knowing yourself. Okay, what you are. There would be things you might not know about you. There would be things you might know about you, but you are not able to improve that. Okay, so we, the part of Catalyst Educare, will improve all those things. There is no paper and pen thing. Will improve your qualities. Okay, that's all. So I'll hand it over to Ms. Valencia. Thank you.
So hello everybody.
Hello.
So we all know why we are here, right? So someone can tell me what is personality? We all have a different personality, right? I'm sure he has a different personality. You have a different personality. Each one of us possess different personalities. Correct? There may be similarities at times, but nobody has the same personality, and that's what makes us different. Am I right?
Yes.
We all agree?
Yes.
Can we be more interactive because we are around the same age group, okay?
Yes.
Please be interactive. Okay. So can somebody tell me what is personality?
The way a personality is to another.
Yeah, correct. But what are those things that builds our personality? I believe the atmosphere that we live in, the people that we meet, the way we conduct ourselves in front of others, our culture,
The vibes.
place. Sorry?
Positive vibes.
Okay, negative vibes also then.
Yeah.
Okay? So there are a lot of things that build our personality, right? Some people have a good personality. Some people cannot just present themselves in front of others. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So, can I say that he and you have the same personality?
No, he's Bairam Bal.
No. And why no?
Because the thinking and behaving is different. Like every
Thinking, behaving, talking style.
Everyone has a different thing.
All are
Exactly.
different.
Even you can say our dressing sense, the way we even
The
the
way
way we
he
walk,
talks.
the way we talk, the way we move, the way we express ourselves. All these things build our personality. Okay? And I'm sure we all have a personality, but leading it to a particular level makes a lot of difference. Okay? We all have to improve. Everybody learns every single day. There's nobody perfect, right? Even someone that's that big won't say, okay, I've learned all the things in my life. Everybody wants to learn every single day. Correct? Now, what are the traits of personality? The first thing I would like to start with is aim in your life. Okay? First of all, when we set aims in our life, we go for goals. Okay? Fine. How do you set goals? On what basis do you set a goal? Now, I cannot set a goal saying that tomorrow I'm going to be a millionaire. Is that even possible?
Yeah, might be.
No. So our goals have to be realistic. Okay, it has to be realistic. We need to set a plan to reach there. We cannot just say, okay, fine, tomorrow I'm going to be an engineer. You're like not even close to being an engineer. You cannot say that tomorrow I'll be an engineer. Correct? Okay. So I want to know from you, how do we set goals? Anything. I'm sure you all know how to set goals.
I'm
The
first.
reason we pass in exams is because we set goals. Yeah.
First, you should decide what you want to do. You should be clear of that things.
Okay.
Then you should do the things which are related to that. Like if you want to achieve something, you should be related to that. You should tell somebody like who understands you well, so he can help you to achieve that. Then I'll say that note it down somewhere that you can like whatever things you want to achieve. So step by step do that.
Okay.
That's how you go ahead.
Okay, you're actually like 95% to 99% correct. Okay. Okay. The only thing is, what he said was we have to be clear in what we have to do, which is totally correct. Then we have to take advice. Taking advice is the best thing. Okay, because taking advice from people who have already done that thing is something excellent. Because you get to know of how they reach there. You get to know what is the process. Okay. So what he said was absolutely correct. So we need to set our aim in our life. Okay, and that will help us to improve our personality. If we have a plan of, okay fine, tomorrow I don't want to do anything, I just want to be educated this much and then I'm done. I just want to be educated this much and then I'm done. Okay, that is not how it is. A person, a female, if they plan to be a housewife, I'm sure they're not going to develop the personality of how they want to present themselves in front of crowd. Am I right? Someone who wants to just Someone who wants to just sit at home will not want to learn how to talk in front of people, will not want to know how to grow physically, mentally and in all aspects. Correct? So, where we want to be will direct us towards achieving that personality. Okay? A salesperson will work on something of how he has to convince people, on how he has to talk to people, on how he has to go about and be polite with people. At the same time, a person working from home will not need all those things. Correct? Yes. Are you all getting bored?
No.
Okay, so now we learn the second point from you all. So that you all
All Manish. All Manish. Shiva's brother. Shiva's elder brother.
So what's the second point? Confidence. Does anyone think of confidence?
Yeah.
Does anyone have confidence?
This guy.
Everybody, right? Correct. And the reason we build confidence is because only then will we be able to go further on in life. It's only then when we lead to reaching there where we plan. Not having confidence, not knowing what will we be able to do that alone will not lead us anywhere. Because then we'll be just thinking and not doing. Correct? Okay. The next thing we have is your style of speaking. Now many people try to fake the style of speaking. Like, they try to act like, oh, they know too much. Or they try to express themselves like, oh, I'm like too cool, just stay away from me, there's nobody near or next to me. There are many people like that, okay? So, as long as you're in your friend circle or somewhere, where it's not going to affect your career, it's fine. But tomorrow at your workplace, if you behave like a person who is just, one of the ordinary, there's nobody like you, there's nobody even close to you, will lead you nowhere. Because you're just trying to prove to yourself that, okay, fine, I'm big, when the whole world sees you're still small. Okay? So you got to know how you have to behave in front of crowd. Okay? Today it's here, but you're not going to be here all your life, right? You're going to go to different places. Maybe start with a small firm to a big firm and the biggest firm. Okay? The next one we have about fitness. So is there anybody fit over here?
All.
Rahul.
Everybody fit here? Everybody with good habits?
Rahul.
Rahul?
Boss.
Who's Rahul?
Rahul.
But he's so fit compared to me.
But what good habits do you
You have.
Wrong patient to the wrong.
have?
Anger. Anger management.
Regular workout, I think.
Sorry?
Regular workout.
That's a good habit.
Yeah, according to me.
That's your fitness habit. But what's your good habit?
Anger
In
management.
today's world, people don't have time for workout. So according to me, it's a good habit for me. Any other habit
Right, but it's not making sense to me because you're talking about being fit
Yeah.
and I am talking about a good habit.
Habit. Cutting your nails.
difference between habit and
Yeah. Fitness is what you're talking about.
Habit or
Habit is not dieting or working out every day. I don't think that's habit.
Mr. Rao, do you smoke?
Yes. Yes. That's a good habit.
So that's a habit, I believe. Smoking is a habit.
Good habit.
Good habit.
Not a good habit. Yeah. But that's, you got the term habit, right?
Yeah.
So I'm not asking you fitness, I'm asking you habits.
Habit.
So what are your good habits?
Playing cricket.
Like chicken.
Hobby.
Like, I think that's a-
Chicken.
explain
Okay.
the meaning of habit.
Aslit. वही गाना बोल.
MBA कर रहा है. क्वेश्चन ही था मुझे MBA कर.
Do you bath daily?
Yeah.
शिवाय करते हैं.
That's a good habit.
कटिंग करते हैं.
That's a good habit, I would say.
So one is not a good habit, okay? You know one good habit. The other one is personality.
That's a good habit.
Okay? So what is the importance of personality? What is the importance of personality? Why do you have to have a personality? Does anyone have powerful influence over others?
There is a difference between influence and dominance.
Rahul.
Who is dominant and who is more
सागर दोनों का मतलब क्या है रे? दोनों का मतलब क्या है?
Okay, what influences you? What you watch, what you listen to, what you speak, and whom you listen to. Okay? These are the things that have an influence on you. What you watch. If you watch something that helps you to reach your goal, that helps you to thinking forward in your career-wise, that helps you to be stronger in life, will take you to be stronger in life, will motivate you to go towards what you've planned, okay? But if you watch things like somebody always depressed, always not succeeding, you'll be like, okay, fine, life has nothing to do with failure, okay? So what you watch, it plays an impact on your personality, okay? The next thing is what you listen to and whom you listen to. The people that you talk to, make sure they are motivational people. Make sure they are people who've gone through things and have learned it the hard way. Because we all face hard times, correct? Everyone has had some failures in life, in some fields. It can be education, it can be stress, it can be family, it can be anything. Okay? But everybody has gone through it. If you see a successful man, you cannot just say, oh, he was lucky. No. He's been there and that's why he's there. Okay? So we need to talk to people, we need to indulge with people that has it all in them, that has seen all the aspects of reaching there. So what we listen to is what motivates us. What we listen to is what makes us take a step forward and not backward. You getting me?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I forgot your name.
Boss है Rahul.
Okay, the next thing is
राहुल पानी दे रहा है.
your thoughts. Your thoughts matter a lot because what you think is what you speak. Okay? And what you speak is what you act on. And what you act on finally becomes your character. Okay? So, what do you think? Do you think you're a successful person or do you think you cannot do it at all? If you think you're a successful person, you will work on it. If you do not think you're a successful person, you will not care. Okay? So, the pattern is what you think, your thought, it becomes what you speak. What you speak becomes your actions. And what you act, it becomes your character. Which is very important. Okay? The way we act, the way we present ourselves, it is a character. The way you move, right now the way he's sitting depicts his character. Okay? Means he's very casual at the moment. I'm not insulting you. Take it the other way. But at the moment, his character is kind of casual. He would like, leading behind and listening rather than sitting forward and listening. Okay? So the way you act is very important. Because you will go from one place to another and what you behave now and what you behave at your workplace, that will show you that you have grown incorrectly. Okay? Okay, just the way he said positive attitudes in life. what positive thing do you have in your life? What was your positive?
I have my mentor with me, which always motivates me about the life and whatever the things.
How is it your positive attitude? That is a mental.
My positive attitude is I'm very social and I like helping people. I like helping others.
Okay.
Then I'm very positive about thoughts. Whatever comes to me, I never take it as a negative. I try to convert it into positive.
Okay. It's exciting.
And
असं
yes, Rahul.
असं
राहुल
जैसे पार्टी
मेरे से पूछना बोल
बोल ना
क्वेश्चन क्या था
मुझे क्या
पॉजिटिव
पॉजिटिव
Yes, sir.
Positive attitude.
What is the positive attitude in life? Have you ever faced any situation in which you have acted positively?
दोनों को प्रेगनेंट
At Hypercity, I am working there. I am completing my internship there.
Okay.
From there. So the second or third day maybe it was. So the manager was told me to be there around 11 o'clock.
Okay.
So at that time I never said no. Means मैंने उसको जवाब नहीं दिया. I said okay fine, good for me. So on that day I work around 13 to 14 hours. But towards works I never said no. No. So I think it's a positive attitude towards
Yeah,
work.
that means you are dedicated towards the work.
Yeah.
Anybody?
डाउट में कि क्या बोल
Okay, I believe the other positive attitude would be correction. Okay? When somebody corrects you, you got to take it with a positive attitude.
Yes.
You cannot be like, okay, that's me and that's you. I'm different and you're different. Don't teach me how I am. That is totally wrong. Okay? Because
Something has happened between these two. That's why they are like fasting. Something has happened between these two.
Yes, sister.
Like this.
yeah, so correction is very important. Okay? Do you take correction?
Ma'am, the positive attitude I have is I always keep smiling whatever it is, whatever the stress, because it reduces my stress. You know, sometimes when
The thing is, if I'm correcting you on some specific topic,
I won't feel bad. I won't feel bad about it. I'll keep smiling, sir.
But do you implement it? You won't
Yes,
feel
yes,
bad.
I will, ma'am. I
Maybe
will.
you won't feel bad because you want to record it. That also can be the case.
Ma'am, it is always said that you learn from mistakes.
इसको बाहर बता
the
दे.
girls take it seriously.
No, that's okay.
If I correct some girl, so she will take
बात बदल
how this guy has told me like this. How dare you told me like this? Is that true?
No, not like that.
Sure.
Okay, so all like corrections, right?
Yeah.
Including Rahul.
Hmm?
What did I say?
क्या हुआ?
What did I say?
Towards I said no one thing.
You said one thing and I also said one thing. All like my corrections.
अपनी क्लास में नहीं
All like.
नहीं बैठने का बोल
Rahul,
Yes, Rahul.
if I'm correcting you on some specific thing,
Yes, sir.
will you feel bad or will you feel good?
Good.
You will take it positively.
Yes.
That's what she asked.
Correction. Please be a little bit attentive. Will you take that positively?
Yeah, sure.
So you should be attentive, right? The next question will ask you, you won't be asking left and right, right?
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Because you've taken it positively.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will see a live example today at the end of the section on taking corrections positive from Rahul. Okay? Okay, Rahul? Set for it. Keep your goal, plan your goal and direct it and show it. Okay?
Now there is an example for that.
करना क्या है? Feeling what is it?
What is your positive attitude, Rahul? Other than taking, saying yes to your hyperspeed?
Yes.
Yes, Rahul. Rahul, can you sit here, please? If you don't mind.
क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ?
He has taken it positively.
Yeah, he's showing a live example of correction.
मैं आगे क्वालिफाई कर
Your second positive attitude.
Actually, I'm taking driving now, so it's been some time. I don't know what's going on.
But sometimes, not the whole
Actually,
time.
I'm not able to understand what is going on.
Get to know after 1 hour.
Okay. The next thing is about being punctual and being flexible with your timings. Like if you plan to do something today and there's another important thing coming up your way, you have to choose which is your priority. You have to decide, is it that or is it that? Okay? So you have to be flexible in your decisions. You have to decide where, what, how and when. Alright? So the second thing is being flexible plays a lot on your personality. Okay? Because somebody may tell you, okay, you have to do this allotment today. Today your job is to lead a seminar, so and so. The other person tells you, you have to give me within this much time a presentation. Okay? There are two different people asking you for different things. How would you manage your time? Can anybody tell me?
Ma'am, can you pardon it? I understood that two topics will be given to different person and you'll be told to give a presentation in some particular time. So what you are trying to say in that? Like,
How would you direct yourself towards completing both your tasks? And you have to be flexible in your timing.
both your tasks means one is like to
There are two different people asking for different tasks. Like you have your teachers, right?
okay.
One teacher is giving you an assignment and the other teacher is also giving you an assignment. And you have to complete both the assignments on a particular day at the same time. The submission is at the same time, everything is at the same time. So what I am asking you is, how would you direct yourself towards getting that point? Of giving both your things, because both is important, correct? It is important, you have to submit those. Otherwise you would have reduction of marks and so on. Yeah, so how would you plan your schedule?
I'm not finishing at one subject in the morning and one subject in the evening.
And when do you come to college?
Okay, fine. And that's in the same day. We have to give that.
Yeah.
Uh,
No, okay, say you have 1 week's time. So would you get up early in the morning before college?
No,
And
no, after
complete the other
college.
one after college?
after
Is that-
college, we can.
Both after college.
Yes.
And you'll be able to manage everything.
I usually do that.
So tell me how, so you can help others. There are many people who can't manage too many things at once.
Yeah.
Right?
But when I go home by 7 or 6:30 in the evening, I have free time till 8:30, 9, and after 9 I take for myself the time whatever that left is time in the bed. So in that during particular time I complete my work.
Similarly,
How many times?
Multi-talented.
You have to serve Facebook also. You have to.
No, I keep my phone aside. That's really I keep my phone on charging mode.
I'm not telling you. I'm just giving an example. You have to surf Facebook also. You have to watch TV also. Your favorite WhatsApp also. You have to see a favorite show on TV also. You have to complete your college work also. Okay. You have to listen to your mama's order also.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you have to complete your assignments also. Okay. So all these things, how would you manage?
You
You have-
to prioritize.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes, yes.
That is what I was
I
asking
was
you.
coming to that.
We're coming to that. Okay. So now you've come to that. Now how do you prioritize?
By having in mind that I have to complete this and however I will be getting marks of that, if I'll be wasting my time on Facebook or the social websites, I won't be getting anything at the end of the day. But this will result into some positive things. So that's how I will set in mind this
But
and
the
I'll
Facebook
complete it.
and WhatsApp will attract you more. What will you do in that case? Definitely
In that case, I'll tell you.
WhatsApp will attract you more.
So in that case, I'll tell you I have deleted my WhatsApp also before today.
Not about you, anybody else. Anybody else. How will you manage? Anybody from girls? How will you manage?
You got a simple answer. Have you heard of? Not here.
No, ma.
Repeat.
Where these are the
Priorities.
And then you will see if the time is remaining and time is competing with the other things.
I totally leave an idea. You was right.
Yes.
गलत है सलमान
Yes, we have done this. Whatever the others tell me, you already told me.
Ma'am, I told you the lemon language that whatever the things are there,
Now I
it's
told you.
important for me. I'll keep aside. I'll do it later.
What about from that side corner?
असद आप बोल रहे
असद असद तो मैनेज ही नहीं करेगा मैं नहीं करूँगा ऐसा नहीं करेगा
खड़े हो ना
You have like booked the VIP seats, for just watching everybody.
कैमरामैन चांद नंबर अक्षय के साथ
कैमरा से देखिए हैंडल करो
But both are doing camera.
नो मैम ओनली वन पर सिलेक्शन
What's the name?
Rahul, you want company now.
यस मैम असद
असद असद
Asad. So you have to handle the camera also. You have to listen to her also. So what you're doing at this moment?
Sleeping.
I'm listening.
Listening. So what she has now?
बोल बोल
So this is the priority. Okay. So you said that like I am looking for the camera and you are not listening to her. This is what multitasking
How to manage.
or how to manage the things. Okay. So it is more productive than that.
Yes.
Okay. So you should be focused on this thing.
What are the factors that influence your personality?
असद
Is it your friends? Does your friends have an influence on your personality? No?
No.
So you like just don't look at anybody,
समझा
just
क्या
walk
बोलते
your
हो?
way.
Yes.
Like the horse with their things. So no friends have ever affected your personality.
Surrounding matters.
I think partially it's a good thing and partially it's also a bad thing. Because you can have friends with better personalities, you can have friends with not so
भूल गया
good
मैं।
personalities. So I think you have to keep your mind open to whom you have to actually learn from.
Do you have friends
Yes, sir.
who in this class?
Everyone is my friend.
Okay. I'll just take clear. Okay. Just stand up.
stand up stand up
स्टैंड अप
Just select 3 people from here. From the whole crowd. Just select 3 people. Okay, stand up. Okay. What are the good qualities and bad qualities of a person?
Daddy बोलते रहे अभी.
2 good qualities, 2 bad qualities.
Good qualities के लिए सारे नहीं
This is what friends and peers are.
Don't have a good quality.
Will you like threaten him later on because he's really scared?
I'm telling you, bold.
बंदर क्या तू
बोल की बोल.
Bad qualities बोलो.
पहले तो उसको समझा नहीं क्वेश्चन क्या है.
And punctuality person.
अरे माँ
Okay. Not punctual and short-tempered person. Good quality.
वो नहीं मिले.
सोचना पड़ेगा
Okay, what's your name?
हंसने
Okay, tell it about his good quality.
no no good quality
What
bad
are
quality he can't control his anger
okay?
high tempered
Okay, good temper.
not listening to anyone
Okay.
एक दो बार देते
सेंटीमेंट्स विदाउट एडिटिंग
Not listening to anyone I can relate to. I support you, sir.
Tell about the qualities.
Short-tempered and
What about the good qualities?
no good qualities sir.
सेंडिंग थिंग्स
I have a good quality.
Yeah.
Sir, he is kind. He's very good at art.
उसके पास घुटने पे कहते हैं.
He manage works very well. Whatever task is given.
कुछ भी.
Whatever I have noticed with them.
Without taking your name
You have selected
Three of them,
people
yeah.
who are telling about the negative qualities of the person.
तो बोलता नहीं पर.
You should have selected Salman. That's the choice of the friends. Okay. He is a good. I'm not telling like they are not your friends. Okay. So definitely they are pros.
जो दोस्त बुराई करता है.
They know about your qualities. But the thing is your choice. Okay. So if Salman is telling about the good qualities,
Because he has that.
yeah. So you should listen to him.
I feel the reason your friend's personality
Watches
don't
at both the
matter
places.
is because your friends have not showed you that okay fine you do have some good qualities. So maybe you have to again, you know, I'm not saying you're a bad friends, okay?
No.
I'm not saying, okay? But what I'm trying to say is they do, I'm sure they do think that you're a good person.
शेयर
But
से
at
दोस्ती करा
times
तो
when
ये
you
होगा ना।
joke, the good qualities don't come out, which do play an influence on your mind also.
Like they said,
The reason they are your friends is because you think you're good. You're a good friend to them and that's why they're your friends, right? So you need to choose
शेयर से
from
दोस्ती
whom
करा तो
to
ये
hear,
होगा ना उल्टा।
okay? From whom to hear from and whom you have to talk to more.
one more thing, like they have told about your negative qualities, you are short-tempered.
Yeah, so you work on
They
it.
will do that.
Work on it.
They have told your negative qualities. They might have told you on your face also. Yes, you are short-tempered. So you should try to improve that. Okay, you should take it positively. Don't take it that you have told me about the negative qualities of mine. I'll see. Okay. Okay, don't think it. Take it positively. They are telling that you are short-tempered. Just trying to improve that. Be calm. Okay. Thank you.
So you have good qualities and bad qualities which you can remember for life and work on. Okay. So you're not a bad person because you've got good qualities and you've got bad qualities which your friend expressed to you to improve. Not because they hate you but because they like you. Okay. So I'm not saying your friends are bad. You just want to. There's something serious. All three of them said about your anger. So there's something serious about that you have to work on. Because you cannot express your anger everywhere, right? Okay. What is the next thing that affects your personality? Does family affect your personality? What?
Heredity.
Yeah, but what do you
It's not about the physical appearance. It's about social and mental.
Like a person if is short tempered, that can also be from his family.
The way your family appears to you, the way the family feels how important you are, the importance you get. Like, you know, if going out with you for one of your big events and the other option is just staying at home for a family function, what your parents choose, what your family chooses will affect you, right? So if they go for that, it will affect you. They go for with you, it will affect you. Because you will know how important you are in that person's life. At the moment, I believe for each one of us, family comes first. Correct? So, irrespective of what the world thinks about us, I believe what family thinks about us matters the most. Because they will give you the most sincere answer. Okay? At the same time, they tell you are good, at the same time, they tell you are bad. Whatever happens, they love you. Correct? Yeah. So, your family, the way they treat each other, mom, dad, sister, sibling, everything, your brother, your sister, the bond you all share, it all matters. Some people have an extremely good bond, some people do not have an extremely good bond. I personally have a very good bond with my brother and my sister, and that's the reason I get a lot of motivation from them. Both have completed their career and they are set. So what I'm trying to say is, it does affect your personality. The way you think about yourself, obviously the first thought that comes, okay, mom told me I'm this way, and that's why you're that way. Okay? If your mom tells you you're intelligent and the way you like to go about with things, you will go about with things. Because you feel her advice is just perfect for you. Am I right? There are two cameras.
The video.
That's a video.
This one is for video.
Yeah, what is the next thing that can affect your personality? Situations. Have situations affected your personality?
Let's say family.
Yeah.
So, anybody here who is the youngest in the family, the Nadla Bacha type?
Yeah, take it out.
झूठ बोल रहा है शिव कुमार
Rahul Kumar.
तेरे को कौन मेरी फैमिली में
Who is the youngest one in Then Narla Panchayat is
विश्वनाथ
मेरे घर पे जमा रहते क्या?
that seems much personality. Then you are the most loved one in the family.
ये भरत
Right? Anybody the eldest, the responsible one? Santoshi.
Tell her age also.
No, it's okay. You need to tell me.
She's 83.
You are the eldest one in your family? Are you responsible?
Yes.
Do you have any siblings? So how are you responsible towards them?
Whenever she makes any mistake, I have to correct her.
Okay. Any other thing?
Whether though it be any decision in the family, we need to support that.
Okay.
If there is something we need to choose from things, there is always an advice asked from us.
And what about your siblings? Like how will you advise them?
They have never fought for any mistakes.
Okay.
Only we have fought for all the mistakes. We are the alpha system. No men.
See, you're always with the be more.
Right.
In the past, all people also
तो V4 है वो, V4 तो ही है, V4
Why are you afraid?
है ना? वो है ना हम लोग 5 है तो नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से।
Okay, so do you believe that being the eldest one makes you responsible?
Yes.
Right? So similarly,
He said no.
who said no?
I'm not elder.
No,
So your
if
elder one
you're-
is not responsible. No, he is responsible.
Yeah, that's what. That is the influence of the family you are having. So if you are the eldest one, okay, you are responsible kind of person. You have to look after your younger siblings. Okay, then you have so many responsibilities towards the family. And being the youngest one like Salman, so he will be like the most loved one, most pampered one.
हमें बहुत ऐसा
Right, Salman?
अच्छा था आगर that guy
किसको किसका लड़का
Okay. He also seems to be so much pampered. Okay, so that is the influence of the family. Okay. Next.
Like the one who is the youngest will normally not have that, thing in them of presenting themselves to others because they've already always had that feel over them. Yes. Okay. So the pampered ones always know that मैं कुछ भी करूँगा कोई है बचाने. Correct? Yes. Yeah. So that's what again impacts our personality. We see our elder siblings, they are always independent. They've always looked out for how to help people and how to bring up the younger ones.
But
The
you should
youngest
not
doesn't
take
have
it in a
that.
negative sense.
Yeah.
Like if you are the youngest one, you think that I am having the elder one, you can do anything. Okay. There should be certain limits to your your elder siblings and your parents. So there are some limits always. Okay. So it is not about like we are not here to teach you about these qualities. So we are here to develop your personality. But I am just telling about the family influence. So these things are like if you are believing, if you start believing that yeah, I am the youngest one, okay, I can do anything. So that won't. You have to look after your limits. You have to stay within your limits. You should know what is good for me and what is bad for me. So you should always select the good one. Okay. So and if you are the eldest one also, so you know about your responsibilities towards the family. So you should react accordingly, right? So you should react accordingly within what is good for you. So you should select only those things, right?
The next thing we have is communication. Okay, anybody who knows the types of communication?
Communication with them.
Verbal, non-verbal. Then we have written communication. Oral communication, oral communication, business communication. Okay. Now I want a small part from you all. Okay, we're going to divide into groups. Okay, notes. Okay. Okay. So each one has to depict or present themselves and show me what is direct communication, what is verbal communication. The topics are verbal communication, non-verbal communication, business communication. I can give you an on you. But you cannot just go and tell your boss, okay, fine, I don't like this person, okay, just take him away from you. You cannot act like that, correct? You have to know how you have to communicate with your boss. You have to know how to present yourself. You have to be polite. You have to know when, what, and how to say stuff. Okay? So on business communication, again, enact something related to this. Okay? A situation in office, how you present yourself, how you talk. Personal communication, another thing I want to talk to you all about is personal communication. At interviews, when we have personal communication, if they ask you, so where your father works, where your mother works, some people, my father started his career at so age. He went to Swanson school. He did Swanson. Now he's here and now he's retired. Why say so much? The father is retired, just say he's retired. Okay? So in this personal communication, I want you all to present yourself in such a way when personal questions are asked in your interviews, how will you respond to it? If they are at interviews, they definitely ask you about your father, what your father's doing, what your mother's doing, what you have siblings, and if you have siblings, what are they doing? So again, about your sibling career, just be straightforward. Because they're not employing your father, mothers and siblings, they're employing you. So what you speak relating to other people has to be just basic. What you actually speak about yourself again does not have to be too much personal, but it has to be something relating to your job. Like if they ask you, tell me something about you, and you're going for an accounts and finance job, tell me something about you, just say, I like so-and-so subject, I like to spend time with so-and-so subject, I've done this, I've done that relating to your job opportunity. Okay? The next written communication we want an act on because you definitely consider right to communication. The next one we have is about verbal communication. Verbal communication, you can include all types, business communication, personal communication, whatever skill you want to do on that, you all can have. Okay? So having these topics, we'll divide ourselves into groups. So we'll have just around 10 minutes to prepare on it and 5 minutes to present. Okay? Some part from me, some part from you. If you are okay with it. Those not okay with it, please be okay with it. Okay? Fine. So you all have one group? Rahul, are you sure you want to have that group? Because today is your day of people seeing the example of being corrected.
We don't have option.
Yeah, okay, you don't have an option.
I agree with him.
Okay.
You understand what she said?
What is it? Why don't you understand? You are not well, so you can't understand. But you have to participate, okay? No excuses. And I want you to do the main role in this game. So all the main role. So you all are one group. You all, what do you all want to take? Business communication, personal communication, verbal, non-verbal. And again, non-verbal, I want you to have a communication of where you to express yourself. Non-verbal does not mean speaking signs and all these things. You can even talk like, if you're greeting somebody, greet with a good gesture. If you're